My dear trader, look at this. Just a few seconds. And the market moves like this. Fast, aggressive, unpredictable. This is high-impact news. And this is where most traders lose everything. They see the move. They feel the opportunity. And they jump in. But smart traders, they don't trade it the way you think. In this quick video, I will show you 3 simple things. 1. Why traders lose during news. 2. What really happens in the market. 3. How to enter safely after the move. So stay with me. This will change how you trade news. Chapter 1. What really happens during news. During news, the market becomes aggressive. Big players enter. They need liquidity. And where is that liquidity? Retail traders. So what happens? Price moves up. Then quickly down. Stops get triggered. And after all that, the real move begins. News does not create direction. It creates volatility and liquidity. That first move is often a trap. Chapter 2. Risk reality, account size truth. This part is very important. Many traders think only high-impact news is dangerous. But that's not true. Even low-impact news can destroy a small account. Why? Because your account size changes everything. If you have a big account, a small move is normal. But if you have a small account, that same move feels very big. The market didn't change. Your exposure changed. If your lot size is too big, even a small spike can hit your stop loss very fast. Small account with high risk is already dangerous. News just makes it worse. So this is not just about news. It's about risk management. Chapter 3. How smart traders execute during news. So now, how do we trade this properly? Very simple, but very powerful. Step 1. Do nothing before news. Before news, we don't trade. That is guessing. Step 2. Wait for the move. When news comes, let the market move. Let it spike. Let it react. This is where most traders fail. They cannot wait. Step 3. Trade the reaction. After the chaos, the market starts to slow down. Now it becomes readable. Now we use structure. Now we use EMA. Now we use RSI. I don't trade the news. I trade the reaction. Look here. News comes. I don't enter. I wait. Price comes back. Structure forms. Momentum shifts. And this is where I enter. Not during chaos, but after confirmation. Now I am trading with the market, not against it. News doesn't destroy traders, impatience does. If you wait, you survive. If you rush, you get trapped. I don't chase the market, I wait for it to reveal itself. My friend, this is high-value volume market. If executed well, it builds real money within a very short time. Chapter 4. Why traders lose during news. My friend, let's talk honestly. This is what usually happens. Many traders see the news. They expect the market to move. So they feel confident and enter quickly. And suddenly, the market goes against you. And then, it goes exactly where you expected. You were right. But you still lost. This is where frustration begins. Now many traders think the market is manipulated. But the truth is, you entered at the wrong time. Now you already know how smart traders trade news without getting destroyed. If you want to learn my full gold trading system step by step, watch the full course on my channel. Subscribe for high probability trading. I will see you in the next lesson.